All right, we are gonna do a how-to video on a 2022 Mitsubishi Outlander on how to install the kick plates. They're actually called entry guards, LED. There is no video online anywhere, so I figured we'll start out and we'll make one. These things are easy. Don't wreck! Don't wreck! All right, so the first thing you're going to do, she had this thing detailed, and you can see they have like some waxy or some sort of residue. So we're going to clean it off with alcohol so the double-sided tape sticks. I just wet down my rag, and we'll just... All right, so the next step, you're going to take it and you're going to choose the location on where you want it. I chose about there. I'm thinking that's going to be the best location because when you get in and out, you're going to be kicking it there. Okay, go. All right, so the next step, we are going to peel off all of the double-sided tape. I'll save you. We're not going to record all this. You'll see it when I'm done. All right, so the next step, I got all the paper off. So now what I would do, I didn't do this, I would mark where you want it to go, but so I'm just going to eye it up. Right about there, looks good, nice and straight. Look at that. And that's installed. Now we have to do the magnet. All right, so now that we have that installed, you'll see that there's a little mark there that lines up with the body line. It comes with the magnet. The magnet's what turns it on and off. So, well, it turns off after a few seconds, obviously, too. But so the magnet does that. So you got to figure out where the location is on this unit that makes it turn on and off, and then you're going to figure out, line up the door with it, and you're going to mount this underneath the door. All right, so what I did to figure out the location of where the magnet needs to go, you'll see it's on. I went into the zone where it turns it off, magneted it to that, and then it's going to hook to the underneath of the door. So I'm going to shut the door, and you could hear the magnet, and it clicked on, and right there is where I am going to tape the magnet on. So you'll see that the magnet is on the metal of the door. Make sure, clean it with alcohol before you peel the stick and stick it. All right, so there it is, stuck on. Not exactly where I wanted it. I wanted it a little further back, but when I went to stick it, it ripped it right out of my hand because it's a strong magnet. So now repeat on the other side. All right, round two, side number 2 is complete. Now, it did come with these for the back door, so let's slap these puppies on. All right, so the back door, make sure you wipe it off with alcohol, just like over there. They already did this side. So, it's going to go in right about there, right like that. So, let's stick it to it. All right, so check them out. They do look good. Back and front. The back don't light up, but the front do. So now we have the vent shades for the windows, and we're going to install those in the next video.